Jamaica. You know, say life good when you just roll up on the mango tree and you can stand up. I live in Jamaica and mango tree, they're right there, so and you just talk to the mango tree and say, look, you know, say you have something for me. Oh, wow. Oh, you're so kind. No, I'm telling you, sir. This is Jamaica Good Life. I wish it was a Julie mango tree. East Indian. Oh, you smell it? Yes, yes, too rotted. You not even have to wash it. Can I eat the skin too? Not even have to wash it. Not even have to wash it. People, I not even have to wash the mango. I can eat the skin, everything, and not have to wash it. That is Jamaica Good Life. Oh, boy, I tell you, the smell. See, yeah? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Skin, everything. No washing. I rain water, you know? I'm only clean, not dirty. Look where I'm at this. Maybe in Florida when I can do this. This is Jamaica Good Life. New York City, maybe not. Take care of yourself. People, this is Randy Jamaica Good Life. Today, me upset. No, sir. I'm gonna make a mad today. Just want to get a water bottle still, cause one of my fans say, yo, Randy, get a water bottle, take care of yourself, because you're pre-diabetic. So I'm just going for a water bottle. I'm not going for no shopping. And I don't want to make this video too long. So I want to show you why I'm upset today. I'm upset because really great. So I buy a couple of things. So we're going to price them out. So now the really great yogurt from I buy. Come and say I get like a yogurt in my system, right? That is $2.15. Okay? Then I say the water bottle from I buy is not just a water bottle, but it's a little thing where it can fit. See there, it can fit in the hopefully in the car. And you have a little hang upon it, and it can bring tea too. So once I'm up on the road, I can have tea if I leave in the house. And I can also put water in it. Mr. Coffee, $1,700. One of my fans sent me something and said, look, Randy, I want you to take care of yourself, because when I want you to drop down and faint. So she sent me a little thing and said, Randy, I love you. So take care of yourself. Some of my fans them love me, you know. Some of them send me little gas money sometimes. Thank you very much. So now, please and thank you. So here we go now. $3.60 for the jumbo tissue. Alright, you know, so everybody need tissue. Afford tissue for $360. Not bad. Alright. Okay then. And then you have the coconut water now. Bottle of coconut water, $3.30. I could calculate $3.30 now divided by 141. So basically $3.30. I'm going to show you why I'm upset. $3.30 divided by 141. So each of the coconut water when I'm buying at the store. When I buy the coconut water from the man, I come out and MoBay me there now. So I'm showing you say, when I deal with Jamaica, you know. I know Jamaica and I deal with foreign none of that. So now $3.30. Let's say 141 at the rate. So I spend $2.30 for your coconut water. In a Brooklyn, it is about $3.50 or $4 for one of them. So this is not too bad for the bottle of coconut water. Now, if you buy the coconut itself, divided by 141 is 177. So it's cheaper to buy the coconut than buy it in the supermarket, and you get the jelly too. So $1.77 for per coconut. A $250 coconut is not that bad, right? So now what got me upset is that I spent over, what got me upset today, because you know, say a long time I don't eat no cheese, because I don't really eat cheese when I'm there in Jamaica. I don't eat cheese really. We cut out the foreign cheese thing, cause you know. So now by the coconut, let me see the Crystal Farms thing I saw, $880. This is why I have to do that video. I never bring my glasses today, but as you can see, on the price on it, it has no price on it. So for cheese in Jamaica, 10 slices of cheese, I just spend about $6 American for 10 slices of cheese. I'm not normally eat cheese. That is why I'm upset. What I look like spending $800 on cheese. People, it no normal in Jamaica. Make sure no ship no one cheese in. No sir, but boy, me I try to be American. I say let me pick up something just for the taste. When the woman say $4,000 bill come up to, let me tell you something now, Jamaica people. Stay at the market, eat vegetables. Them supermarkets have Mega Marts, Tega Mart. Stay far from the supermarket them. Keep on ital food. No. Use banana trash and wipe on the body, because life is getting too hard for me right now. That's why I cut them from the cow. Make up on myself, we're going on a journey today called the pass our house. Talk later. Upset. Me upset. People running up on it again today. I'm going to check out the Harmony Park. The last time I did Harmony Park, I did live. It never did broadcast too well. So the people them never did really feel the vibration. So here I say to the nation, Jamaican nation. High elevation thing, you know, so I love when I cook food, the glass pan, the thing wipe off and everything. I back up and run and I take a break and I relax and rest and thing. You know, I rest myself, because you know you have to rest yourself more time and the thing you can't just keep going and going, you have to rest yourself, you know. So I rest myself. What you find out about the Jamaicans, them in Jamaica, MoBay, Kingston, wherever you want to go. Big up on yourself to everybody out there where do the good. Because that's what the Almighty wants to do the good, not the bad. And think positive no matter what. So Jamaica people still move through sun hot in the Montego Bay. And everybody are going along their business. So I just saw the things stay right now. Big up to man like Gaza and Suez in a Mandeville. So the things stay all night. Where is it? All day. It's my birthday. And I hope it is yours too. Positivity reign all the time. Today now, we want to check out Harmony Park today in Montego Bay. We want to check that out. I'm upset about the cheese I'm going to buy today. It's a $800 for a pack of cheese. See it there? No sir, I eat out the cheese already. $800? No sir. I'm going to buy some can sandfish and thing. Got the window clean. So life now in Jamaica, hot. Supermarket expensive, everybody have a hustle. So the reason why the Jamaican people them now really protest and not really watch government, because them have the economy rough, so them not no time for bother with government, them just depend on them own grind. And that is what Jamaicans are about. Every day them have to go out there and hunt it. Whether you're a bad man or a good man or a pastor, you have to go out there and hunt it, because Jamaica is a self-economy, and 50% of the people that walk around in slippers. So things nice and easy. And Montego Bay right now hot, but you get used to wherever you go. You just get used to it over time. So now the beautiful Harmony Park is what we want to deal with right now. I want to show you Harmony Park in Montego Bay. Montego Bay is on the rise. The Harmony Park is done. We're not gonna bring nothing now about no weapons, no gun, because they're gonna search you at the Harmony Park. So make sure you know, say, we don't have to deal with it correctly. So big up to the man that up on the street constantly and do the muscling. Everybody can do it. Everybody can work. The thing about Jamaica, there's work for everybody. Either you're farming, but so the whole sitting down and being a bad man and robbing people, that is not an option. Now, as your virtual prime minister, I don't tell you already say, if we create a new party named JGL and we get the money, $50 per 1 million people I need $50 from 1 million people in the States so I can fix Jamaica as your virtual prime minister. And as I told you before, I would take that money and put towards the Coast Guard system. Then I would know clean off the mountains and plant enough weed, enough banana tree and breadfruit tree, enough mountain we must turn in our farming. And then I would put the ghetto youth them on the weed farm, and I would export weed properly to China and all over the world. So if Uno elect me as Uno Prime Minister, I will fix the country immediately. I will put bracelet on the police them and fire the superintendent them, because right now it look like there's too much corruption in the thing. So if you're a boss, you must pay the cost. Use them as consultants. Just say no. Then after we do that now and set up the wharf and the gun them reduce, get the youth them job and thing. You know? That's how you get them job now. This is how you do it. You just plant up the weed and send them go China go learn how to build a road. So the Chinese now have to build no road for we. Just get the equipment and raise the price of the coffee. And Japanese, they're not supposed to ship no car to we. Basically, we must take care from foreigners paying a Jamaican national tax every month, and they don't have to pay for their barrel. So basically what I say to you, I can't fix it, it's just that you don't have to work with me, isn't it? You don't work with me. I just about 50 million US I want to fix it. So we are going to do. We're going to park under a shade right here, so. And we're going to go Harmony Park. You see, so hopefully them now mess with my car and thing. So this is Jamaica Good Life. This is not a Cub Life. Hot feet, sea view, eye view, no say nothing. Jamaica Good Life. This is not a Cub Life. So this is where we're going to park right now. And we're going to lift it off right now. The gates are not open there, so I don't know. I'm going to park us right now. And we'll go park right here, so, and I'm going to leave it here, so we can go check out the park. Alright, brothers and sisters, let's go check out the park. Make sure so not to drive too late, don't drive after dark. Right now we're going to check out the park. So make a park right here, so I'll lift it. And hopefully they won't mess with it. Give me no ticket right now. So the gate there, so. Oh, so there's a parking. There's a parking. Maybe that is a parking for the people. Alright, I could check out if there's a parking. Because that would be nice. If I can park there. But it don't look so. Alright. Later, I'll go check out the park. People right now, you can hear the breeze. This is the Harmony Park in Montego Bay. $200 to park, which is not bad, $1 something basically US. So when you come to the Montego Bay, just Google Harmony Park. You can't touch the grass, you can't go in the water, but as you can see, people are on the sand. This is the new Jamaica I told you about. 2030 is coming. The security guard here, really nice, and the orderly. It's very, very beautiful look for Jamaica in Montego Bay. It's brand new, and I feel like when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna get some breakfast. I can just come out to the park here and I go get a folding chair and just sit down. I don't know if I can go up on the stand, maybe not. But you can just sit down on your folding chair and be in front of the beach. You don't have to be in the beach. And just know that it's clean, it's peaceful in Jamaica. Hey, you're safe here if you come here every morning to do your reading. Or you can probably run around, I don't know, and do your exercise. The changing room, they have bathrooms. And the experiences, the walking tiles are very nice. Rubber, let me see if them are rubber. So my Jamaica slippers there. Also my real rubber, see there? And the KFC is right over there, so I can get the best chicken right off of the airport. And just renting a car, take your rent a car, come right in to the park and eat your KFC. And they have lockers too. Yeah, let's take a look at the lockers. See how the locker them work. Oh, change the room when the beach open up. So them have lockers. So you need your own lock for the lockers. When the beach open, that's when the lockers will work. When the beach open. Can you walk on the sand now? No.
You can walk on the sand.
But don't go in the water. Don't go too far. So now, bring your own locker later on. When do you think it will open? September? The beach? This Saturday? Alright, so I can bring my duck and my beach ball and everything. I can bring my little rubber duck. It's a rubber ducky, it's not a real animal. It's a rubber ducky. Me and my rubber ducky go everywhere. She said no animal. Later. No, I said no animal. Mr. to her, I can't bring my duck. She said no animal. No, it's my rubber ducky. Me and my rubber ducky going to the beach. You know, show them off. You know, show off. So this Saturday, them say the beach will go open. Lord, that no normal. Changing room? What? Look on the beach for public? $2 for park? That means that Saturday this will go around? No, sir. This is the biggest thing in Jamaica now. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Now imagine Jamaica start develop like this. Alright. So basically what you tell me say, when school open and then the kids from school actually come here at lunchtime. So when school open, you're gonna be able to come here and maybe it won't be packed. Because this is supposed to be crowded. Yes, sir. So me and man say it open this Saturday, the beach. And then I go pack, man. And I go pack. It go ram.
Most people are here again.
Because when school open, it's probably the best time for. So this a beach go ram, brother. You know, normal, look how beautiful park, right? Then on go make sure there are no vendors. No, so now there's a vendor station, right?
Yeah, all from the water.
So the vendor station I go open too. What the park I go? This I go be no sir. Everybody I go come, madman, sexy ladies, dancehall, everybody. Are the prettiest thing in Jamaica right now. How long they've been working on it? Where are you from? St. Mary. So you just work here? Wow. So you said we can go up on the sand, but not too far? Not too far. All right. I'll show the people them the beach. Brother, this I go park, brother. People, this is Montego Bay. Harmony Park. Beautiful. But I mean, Saturday I go come by, come check or see. what it's like. Because I know say once them come one time, them a come, you know, have some, you know, some people just don't follow no rules. Like if you had a family, what would be some of the rules? You know,
Rules did that one. Rules did it.
children must be supervised, no animals or pets, no disorderly conduct, illegal drugs or weapons are allowed, no nude bathing or soliciting, no playing of loud music, there you go, no throwing of missiles or objects, right? No playing or games which will interfere with or cause annoyance to other users on the beach. So Saturday we expect Lord God, this beach not big enough, brother. Come you know poor people stay already. They want cook out and barbecue and but my God said there's a lot of security here though. And they look like so on a stay upon a code. The boss really I tell you no. Hey, it look like on open a game, you know, on a sleep on the job, but you haven't seen the park in full function yet, so you don't know what to expect. You just expect the best because it's it's beautiful.
Yeah.
So twin.
Hmm?
Oh, yeah. Let me get my mask on the car. See that? Man, enforce the mask. You must wear your mask, people. So I get the mask from the car, brother. Yeah, I love it, man. So 2030 look bright for Jamaica.
21.
30.
I can say.
More of them build more parks like this.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going back for my mask. Yeah. I'll be right back, sir. So people, this is Montego Bay Harmony Park. Yes. So you have to wear your mask. What me like for wear? You know them thin mask, surgical mask and the one that my thin. I don't like the big dirty thick mask them because I want to breathe the fresh air. Wow. So this is what it's like being in the new Montego Bay and the water is right over there. Well, I wouldn't say I would come here for the beach. Come and know say this is Saturday. That's not gonna be normal. But it's hot, them need some umbrella. Would I bring my umbrella still? And with my launch here? Because the heat here down here, so no, man. Make sure not for not come into the park. Bring a big umbrella. Okay? And come early because parking probably run out quick. The parking space is not that big. And if they open the beach on Saturday, maybe they'll open it during the week. And if there's school during the week, but we know this summer this place I go around. But it's a good place to be. I wish Jamaica, even in the inner cities, you know, them can. This was what I was talking about. Them can easily make parks like this in the inner cities and have the corporation them sponsor the cleanup and thing, and they have a nice, beautiful place for the people them to go and have them pay to come in. So let me get my mask so we can go sit down. All right, let's sit. Yeah, man, Harmony Park. So what happened is, I'm gonna bring a thing. I need a chair and thing. Put on a mask. And this is what Montego Bay Harmony Park look like. Need an umbrella, shelter the baby. You see? Nice and clean. It's nice. So poor people can come out and enjoy themselves. Have a nice clean environment. Finally, the government is upscaling Jamaica Rightfully so. Restroom nice. Yeah man, this is the kind of life. If you're a returning resident, bring your umbrella chair with you. Sun play. So now this park, brand new. Brick. So Montego Bay are going. No, these are the vendor station. Remember we talk about vendor station where they could build these station in front of hotels and stuff for the woman that will sell pork and thing. So them can give Jamaican an option if they're street vendors for X amount of years. Give them a place, give them a business. Build a little square for them. Let's see now, there's a place to sit over there. I hope it not run down too quick. I hope them Jamaican take care of it. 10 years from now, hopefully, you know, the place not dirty up and I hope them maintain it and keep it clean, you know. And every day we get something nice for the public. So my only hope is that it stays nice and beautiful. Sometimes we're not used to nothing good. It seems like government has done this before, but with lack of funding, maybe it then just destroy it. There's a park for the kids, there's even a tennis court. Right there. Well, find a shortcut for going also. And so don't touch the grass. Oh, I ended up on the grass. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Look at this beautiful picture right here. School kids then come on the park. This beautiful tree scenery. At least you see, when you build parks like this, you have jobs for the security guards. But also the security guards them need chair. They need a little chair so them can stand up all day. You know, we must look into that too. So now you can't go up on the grass. So if you can't go up on the grass, oh yeah, I'll get to the seat. Okay, this is a cool shit. So we're now under the cool shade, Harmony Park. So this is a good place to sit down. And this is what it looks like under the tree, you know what I'm saying? Nice and easy. Nice and breezy under the tree. Beautiful tree. So there's peace, safety and security in Jamaica, Montego Bay, and beauty along the ocean in Harmony Park. This is what Jamaica public should be enjoying, even in the inner cities. It can happen. Right now in a sea view, them can enhance the park just like this and make some swimming pools for the youth them, and Digicel can fund that, and Red Stripe there. Simple thing. So if we keep speaking it, they must start hear it. And this is how the ghetto youth them supposed to see them life clean. The environment helps you develop the mind, you know. If you don't say nothing productive, it can be simple enough. I'm glad that there's no pets allowed in the park. That can you know, say if a New York City, pure dog shit in a damn park. So now in Jamaica at least they not have no pets allowed. So I can bring my rubber duck. I'm good. I'm a rubber duck for swimming. I can bring a dog on a wheel if you know one. And I don't think there's any a person have a portable little bike. I don't know if that person is a security guard. I don't think bicycles are allowed. So this is Montego Bay, and hopefully other places in Jamaica can realize that even though we have country, people still need a vibration. Groom the tree nicely. And bring your coconut water. Yes. Look how beautiful. Now this is a place you could social distance, and you could do a social distancing gathering, and once everybody have their mask on, and wow, get a projector up on the tree, get a white piece of thing, and get a daylight projector. And you can do a talk show. Get the people to come out. They love it. Ah, the new Jamaica. Wow. We dreamt of it, and now it's here. At last. I witness it. I witness it. if you want to come to Montego Bay to spend a couple, if you're in Jamaica or wherever you are, or wherever your house is, you can take the Knoxford bus to MoBay from the airport to the airport, and then you can take local taxis or rent a car locally. You can Google expeditious delivery. It's a taxi youth where you can trust in a MoBay, part of our network. Expeditious delivery, and we can take you around, pick you up from place to place. And so I'm gonna get, if you guys interested in getting a number for somebody in MoBay, that could be a taxi. Link me on WhatsApp at 646-230-9150. 646-230-9150. So all my members, if you want somebody that's trustworthy in Montego Bay, I have the people for you. So I travel to Jamaica and I find the trustworthy people. That's what I deal with. So now if you take the bus to Knoxford to the airport, my taxi guy will pick you up from there and bring you to the park. Then when you're done with the park, he'll pick you up, then take you to, there's a Doctor's Cave beach. You pay $600 there, $700 to go to that beach, and $700 for the umbrella, $200 to get into here. If you're driving, it's free. So you can sit in the park for a little bit, then you could go to the beach, and if you want somewhere to stay, you link me. Stay at Jamaica Good Life house. So we have our taxi guy already. We'll take you from place to place to place in the morning. You can even go to the market. If you want him to go to the market and buy stuff for you, he will buy it. If you want him to go buy KFC for you. If you want to go to Iron Shore, take a tour. So we have our taxi service guy. We can drop you off places and pick you back up, and you enjoy Montego Bay without renting a car. 100% safety. The Jamaica Good Life house is 10 minutes from here. So I did it. I told you guys we're gonna reserve safety for you and good taxi people, and you're gonna enjoy the fullness without stressing yourself about hotel. And you spend 3 days in Montego Bay and you want to go to Mandeville and go into the mountains, you get an Airbnb there. So everywhere is everywhere. Yes, people, this is what Jamaica is looking like. Ocean right over there. That's the administrative construction. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Today we're gonna take another stop today, and we're going to go and check out some place in what do you call it, We're gonna take a turn at Leaders Lane and go check out some place over there. So this is Harmony Park in Montego Bay. This end our tour for this experience. The trees were nice. No dog dodo. People are nice and easy. Everybody's calm. You see? And everything is local. So this is a great experience. So them not get a chair for you. You're gonna stand up all day? How many hours you gonna stand up for?
12.
12 hours?
Yes, from 7 to 7.
You're gonna work for 12 hours?
Yes, sir.
How much lunch break you get?
30 minutes.
30 minutes lunch break?
Yes, sir.
12 hours you have to stand up for?
Alright. When it's lunchtime, when it's 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, and they come and break you for the 30 minutes, you eat and you come back. When you come back, you don't do time.
But why are you working for 12 hours? Why not eat?
Well, at the end of the day, they have a hour that they work over here. You can't leave at eat after you go to 7.
Wow. Wow. Sorry to hear that. That's a long shift. Take care of yourself. Walk around. Wow, she's working for 12 hours. 7 to 7. And 30-minute lunch break. No, people. You see right there, so? Contact Harmony Park and talk to the administrators. You see, we're human beings. We're supposed to look out for other human beings. So here we do. Make sure we talk to them and tell them, say, the people need 1 hour lunch break. Look at the beautiful flowers. Stop and smell the roses. Everything's not all about money. Life is made of bees and honey. Everything is not always about money. Call them and tell them, say, look man, give the people more hour break. Wow. Yeah, my slippers. So this is it. Okay, so Randy never bring them nowhere. Yeah, my old slippers. You're a manager here? You're a manager?
No, sir.
How come you give the people them 30 minutes lunch break, the security guard then?
I'm in charge of that.
Talk to the boss.
There's a boss through.
Tell us that Jamaica Good Life came through. And we don't like the fact that the people get 30 minutes lunch break. 12-hour shift.
No, I mean, one day.
12-hour shift in my work. 30 minutes. You have police? A regular police in the area?
No.
Just for here?
Nothing.
Security.
That's one.
So how many hours you get for lunch?
So it's up to me. It's up to me. I'm ready today.
Yeah, them have to give them some more. You know, take care of them. Take care of them. How long you get your lunch break for?
Me?
30 minutes?
Yeah.
12 hours you work?
Yeah.
Talk to the boss. Now go talk to them. No. No, no. 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 You see what I'm saying? No. You see it, people? No. No, no, no. 30 minutes, 12 hours of work? No, no, no. I want to call Harmony Park and say, look, I watch Jamaica Good Life. It's not a cub life. No pushing and fighting is not a shrub life. We need you to increase the lunch time for the people and make them leave. The people them need 1 hour. Maybe they want to do local shopping for them picnic and thing. Need a 1 hour lunch break. You can't work 12 hours with 30-minute lunch break. In other states, that's illegal. Every 8 hours require 1 hour. So see, because we are people and we care about our people and want to know if you take care of the people them at the park, alright? Whenever you see injustice, you must fight for each other. Fight for your brothers and sisters, because if you don't, so take care of the security guard them and the people working at the park. Give them an hour lunch break, so we can make a change. So I'm going back. Thank you for the journey.